How to receive money on PayPal. So if you want to receive money on PayPal, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your PayPal. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Start by logging into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you've logged in, you'll see the home page. Once you have your home page, you need to go with settings, which is on the top right. And from the settings, you will have the email address. You will have your primary email address. Once you have your primary email address, that's the one you need to share in order to receive some money. So you need to send that email to your sender and then you will receive some funds to your account. Or the second option is you can also send a request if you're expecting money from someone. On the top, you will have send and receive or send and request option. You need to just click on send and request. Once you click on send and request, here on the second option, you will have the request section. You need to make sure that you're under the request section. And once you're in your request payment form section, you need to enter your email address and then go with next. Once you enter your email address and click on next, you'll then be prompted to enter the amount you're expecting to receive. You can also add a note explaining why you're requesting the payment. Like if you've sold something to the sender, after you've entered the necessary details, click on request a payment button. This will send a notification to the sender letting them know you're requesting money from them. Now, all you have to do is wait for the sender to fulfill the payment request. Once they do, the money will be deposited into your PayPal account. In this way, you'll be able to receive money on your PayPal. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.